ഡിപ്പാർട്സൺ എന്ന യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനലിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. കേരള PSC നടത്തുന്ന ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെന്റ് ടെസ്റ്റ് KER ജൂലൈ 2019 വർഷത്തെ ചോദ്യോത്തരങ്ങൾ അടങ്ങിയ മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റിന്റെ രണ്ടാം ഭാഗമാണ് ഈ വീഡിയോയിൽ ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഇതിന്റെ ഒന്നാം ഭാഗം കാണാത്തവർക്ക് അതിന്റെ ലിങ്ക് താഴെ ഡിസ്ക്രിപ്ഷൻ ബോക്സിൽ കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഓരോ ചോദ്യത്തിനും 10 സെക്കൻഡ് സമയം. 10 സെക്കൻഡ് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ശരിയുത്തരം സ്ക്രീനിൽ തെളിയുന്നതാണ്. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എത്ര മാർക്ക് കിട്ടി എന്നത് സ്വയം വിലയിരുത്തുക. വീഡിയോ കണ്ട് നിങ്ങളുടെ അഭിപ്രായങ്ങളും നിർദ്ദേശങ്ങളും താഴെ കമന്റ് ബോക്സിൽ എഴുതാൻ മറക്കരുത്. നമുക്ക് മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റിലേക്ക് കടക്കാം. The time limit for filing appeal against order declining approval to the appointment of an aided school teacher. 15 days from the date of order, 15 days from the date of receipt of order, 30 days from the date of order, 30 days from the date of receipt of order. Right answer is 15 days from the date of receipt of order. The rule empowering the Director of Public Instruction to call for the records of the orders relating to approval of appointment issued by the subordinate officers and revise the same. Rule 8 of Chapter 14A, Rule 8.5 of Chapter 14A, Rule 12 of Chapter 14A, Rule 8 of Chapter 14A. Right answer is Rule 8A of Chapter 14A. The authority to which appeal can be submitted against an order of transfer of teachers issued by the manager, Assistant Educational Officer, District Educational Officer, Deputy Director, Director of Public Instruction. Right answer is Director of Public Instruction. The authorized attesting officer for the entries in Part 2 of Service Book of an aided primary school teacher is the dash: Educational Officer, Manager, Headmaster, Senior Superintendent, Assistant Educational Office. Right answer is Headmaster. The authorized verifying officer for the entries in Part 2 of the Service Book of an aided high school teacher, District Educational Officer, Personal Assistant to the District Educational Officer, Headmaster, Manager. Right answer is District Educational Officer. The service book of a teacher shall be provided by dash: Manager, Headmaster, himself, Educational Officer. Right answer is himself. If the educational agency has only one primary school, the authority to approve the combined seniority list of teachers will be dash: Headmaster, Manager, District Educational Officer, Assistant Educational Officer. Right answer is Assistant Educational Officer. The combined seniority list of teachers should be made up to date and renewed dash every year, whenever new appointments are approved, every month, whenever new appointments are made. Right answer is every year. To whom the appeal can filed against an order approving the seniority list of teachers by the Assistant Educational Officer, Government, Director of Public Instruction, Deputy Director, District Educational Officer. Right answer is District Educational Officer. Which rule in Chapter 14A impose an obligation on the part of the manager to promote qualified hands in the lower grade to the vacancies of higher grade? Rule 51A, Rule 51B, Rule 43, Rule 42. Right answer is Rule 43. When a vacancy of part-time high school assistant in a particular language is arose, to whom the first preference will go for promotion subject to qualification. Regular primary teacher, lower grade language teacher in that language, lower grade language teacher in any other languages, specialist teacher. Right answer is lower grade language teacher in that language. Minimum test qualification required for promotion to the post of headmaster in aided high school is dash. A contest lower and MOP, a contest higher and MOP, a contest lower and KE Act and rules, contest lower KE Act and rules and MOP. Right answer is a contest lower and KE Act and rules. Teachers who have attained the age of dash years shall stand exempted for acquiring test qualification. 50 years, 55 years, 49 years, 45 years. Right answer is 50 years. Qualified teachers who are relieved as per Rule 49 or 52 or on account of termination of vacancies shall have preference for appointment to future vacancies. Which rule provides this benefit? Rule 43, Rule 51A, Rule 51B, Rule 43B. Right answer is Rule 51A. When a regular vacancy of HST Physical Science is aroused, first preference shall be given to dash. Rule 51A claimant, Rule 43 claimant, protect teacher from the same management, fresh hand. Right answer is protect teacher from the same management. A teacher was relieved on account of reduction of post after 5 years of service. 2 years later, he was reappointed against a vacancy which was not permanent. The initial pay on reappointment will be dash. The same pay he was getting at the time of relief, pay admissible as if he was not relieved, minimum of the scale of pay attached to the post, minimum plus 2 increments of the scale of pay attached to the post. A teacher shall not himself terminate his service before the expiry of the term of his appointment without the permission of dash. Headmaster, manager, educational officer, director of public instruction. Right answer is educational officer. A teacher was elected as president of Grama Panchayat. Special leave without pay was granted to him for the entire period of holding such office. The leave period will not count for the benefit of dash. Increment, higher grade, pension, leave. Right answer is leave. The authority competent to grant casual leave to the headmaster, manager, himself, educational officer, staff council. Right answer is educational officer. The authority competent to grant previous sanction to keep the headmaster of an aided UP school under suspension beyond 50 days is the dash. District Educational Officer, Assistant Educational Officer, Director of Public Instruction, Deputy Director. Right answer is Assistant Educational Officer. The time limit within which the order on the validity of the suspension of an aided school teacher is to be issued within 15 days from the date of suspension, within 15 days from the 16th day of suspension, within 30 days for the date of suspension, within 3 months for the date of suspension. Right answer is within 15 days from the date of suspension. The authority to impose the penalty of censure on a headmaster of an aided high school shall be the dash. District Educational Officer, Deputy Director, Manager, Director of Public Instruction. Right answer is Manager. Which among the following rules in Chapter 14a prescribes the procedure for imposing major penalties? Rule 65, Rule 75, Rule 67, Rule 76. Right answer is Rule 75. Manager withheld the annual increment of an upper primary school teacher for 6 months and the assistant educational officer rectified it. The authority to which the teacher can file an appeal against it is dash. District Educational Officer, Director of Public Instruction, Government, Deputy Director. Right answer is District Educational Officer. No teacher shall use mobile phone or such other devices in the dash. School, school premises, office room, classroom. Right answer is classroom. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഈ വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടമായെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക. താങ്ക് യു.